Children, in this video, let us discuss how to construct a perpendicular bisector for the given line segment. What is a perpendicular bisector? A perpendicular bisector is a line that divides the given line segment into two equal parts at an angle of 90 degree. Through this video, let us see how to construct a perpendicular bisector for the given line segment. Let us see how to construct perpendicular bisector using ruler and compass. Draw a line segment AB of length 10 centimeters and construct its perpendicular bisector. Children, here first we have to draw a line segment of length 10 centimeters. Using our ruler, we have to draw a line segment of length 10 centimeters and name it as AB. Now we have drawn a line segment of length 10 centimeters. Mark this point as A and this point as B. Length of AB is 10 centimeters. Now we have to draw a perpendicular bisector for this line segment AB. The perpendicular bisector will divide the line segment AB into two equal parts at an angle of 90 degree. Length of this line segment AB is 10 centimeters. Half will be almost this point. Children, then open your compass for more than half of this AB. You no need to take any measure. Like this, you just take more than half of AB. Now, with A as center, we have to draw arcs above and below the line segment AB. Children, we have to draw arcs above and below the line segment AB. Children, without changing this compass settings, without disturbing the settings, with B as center, draw arcs above and below the given line segment AB. We have to draw arcs above and below. Children, the arcs we have drawn should intersect. Now these two arcs intersect at this point. We name it as C, and these two arcs intersect at this point. We name it as D. Children, now we join the point of intersection, that is we join C and D using our ruler and pencil. Now we have constructed a perpendicular bisector of AB. Children, let us mark this point M as the midpoint of line segment AB. This point divides the line segment AB into two equal parts. If we measure this part AM, we will get 5 centimeters. The measure of AM is exactly half of 10, and MB is line segment MB also measures 5 centimeters. Here we have got 5 centimeters, here too 5 centimeters. This is how we construct a perpendicular bisector for the given line segment. Now let us move on to the next example. Draw a line segment XY of length 7.4 centimeters and construct its perpendicular bisector. The first step is draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeters. Name this line segment as XY. The name of the line segment is XY. It measures 7.4 centimeters. Now open your compass for more than half of XY. This is half. You have to take more than half of XY. Then with X as center, draw arcs above and below the given line segment. Then without changing the compass settings, with Y as center, draw arcs above and below the line segment. Mark the point of intersection of the two arcs. I mark this point as M and this point as N. Then use your ruler and join the points M and N. Join MN. Now we have constructed a perpendicular bisector for line segment XY. Here MN divides line segment XY equally. That is, MN divides the line segment XY into two equal parts at an angle of 90 degrees. Children, you have to practice it very well. We will discuss many more constructions using compass in our next class. Children, take care. That's all for today. Thank you.